Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadget Cake. Xiaomi recently launched the Poco Phone F1 in India, which offers flagship hardware at mid-range price. And today in this video, we will see if this phone from Xiaomi is a new flagship killer. So let's do the unboxing and overview of the Poco F1. Here we have the Poco Phone F1, and apart from the unusual name, this phone has lot to offer which can rule any tech lover. We have here the 6GB RAM 64GB variant in steel blue and graphite black color. There are two more variants which are the Rosso Red and the Armored Edition. So here is the box of the phone. In the front we have the Poco by Xiaomi branding, and then at the back we can see the specs of the Poco F1, which is the Snapdragon 845, liquid cooling system, AI dual camera and a 20 megapixel front camera. And the phone is powered by 4000 mAh battery. And can you believe that you're getting all this in just Rs 20,000? And if you ask me, I'm already impressed and surprised by the aggressive pricing by Xiaomi. Now let's open the box and see the content. So first we will open the steel blue color. So in the box we get this yellow box in which we have the documentation and the back cover which is of good quality. Then here we have the phone itself. My first impression is that it's quite comfortable to hold and it feels very good in the hand. We will look at it in a moment. Let's see what else we get in the box. So here we have the power adapter and a USB Type-C charging cable. And yes, this phone does support fast charging, which is Quick Charge 3.0. And lastly, we get this SIM ejection pin. Let me quickly unbox the black variant as well. So here we have the Poco F1. Both the colors look good, and without any doubt this phone looks premium. So guys, what do you think, which one is looking better, black or blue? Leave a comment down below. Build quality is definitely very good, and it's not like what we have seen in high priced flagship phones, but it still sort of gives you that premium look and feel. The weight of the phone is 180 grams, which is due to the 4000 mAh battery, and in my opinion, it doesn't feel that heavy. We have the all-screen front with the notch on the top, which houses the front camera, earpiece, IR face scanner and some sensors. The screen is 6.18-inch Full HD Plus with an aspect ratio of 18.7:9. On the right side we have the power and the volume buttons, and on the left side we have the SIM tray, which is hybrid. On the top we have the headphone jack and a secondary mic. There is no IR blaster in this phone, which we have seen in most of the Xiaomi phones. At the bottom we have the speaker, USB Type-C port for charging and the mic. Then at the back we have the dual camera setup, where we get the 12 megapixel primary camera with an aperture of f1.9, and then we get a 5 megapixel secondary camera for depth effect. There is also a dual LED flash next to the camera. The fingerprint sensor is located right below the camera, which is also circular, so one might easily touch the camera lenses by mistake instead of the fingerprint sensor. Now let's turn them on for the first time. So here we are on the home screen, and this phone runs on the customized MIUI 9.6, which is based on Android Oreo 8.1. The phone has the Poco launcher, which has the swipe to open drawer and few other optimizations. Some of the other features are app grouping by categories and icon color grouping. We will test it more and let you guys know about all the features in our review. After the first boot we had the 54.32GB available out of 64GB storage, and the phone is running on the June 2018 security patch. Animations feel a bit slow in this phone, but overall I find this phone quite responsive and smooth. The camera interface is simple, and you also have different modes including manual mode. The camera has the AI feature which detects the scene and set it accordingly. Here are few sample pictures. The image quality is excellent during daytime, photos are sharp and there is no noise at all. And here are few portrait photos. The 20 megapixel front camera is also very good and shoots detailed photos with accurate skin tone, and you can also shoot portrait photos with the front camera. In terms of security, the front notch has the IR scanner for face unlock, which works very good in any lighting condition. And then we also have the fingerprint scanner at the back, and I think this is one of the fastest fingerprint scanner I have come across in this price range. And guys, this is just a quick hands-on of this phone, and we will also be doing a complete review of this phone in next few days, so stay tuned for that. And in couple of days, we will also show you the gaming and benchmark of this phone and some other heating and performance test. And as we have mentioned earlier that this phone has a liquid cooling system, so we will see how it performs and how much difference does it make while gaming. So that's it guys, this was the unboxing and overview of the Poco F1, the cheapest phone with the Snapdragon 845 processor. I'm impressed already with this phone, and everything about this phone from screen, hardware and camera output is amazing. But we will test this phone thoroughly and we will show you more about it in our detailed review. So stay tuned for that. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our any upcoming videos. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadget Geek for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.